Let's bring in David Dorantes, who is the product guru at Targus, the bag guru. Hi, David.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, thank you. So what is your research telling you about how we're going to be functioning in this new world when we finally emerge post-COVID?
Yeah, when we're talking to consumers, we're realizing that the office environment is changing. It's no longer going to be just in the office. Obviously, with the pandemic, things have totally evolved, and we foresee that that's going to continue to happen. And what that means is there's a lot of flexibility, and with that flexibility, there's also an extended day. You're not just restricted to the office, you're actually moving around. You're going to be doing meetings from a coffee shop during your commute. You might want to go to the park, and in the middle of the day, you might even want to go to the gym. So all these things extend your workday, and we offer solutions now that are addressing that extended workday.
So show me exactly what you're talking about in terms of what that means when people are carrying around their accessories.
I got a great example, and that is our Work Plus backpack. Let me show you.
Oh, I think it's this one here that you sent up to me. Hang on, let me just send it your way.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Okay, talk to me about some of the features in this bag.
Sure, this one's loaded with features. First off, protection is first and foremost. That's what Targus is known for. In the laptop compartment, there's a Sling System. And what the Sling System is an actual, it's kind of like a hammock for your laptop. And it suspends your laptop so that way when you drop the bag, your laptop is safe from damage. Additionally, what we've done is we've also added a shoe compartment. The shoe compartment allows you to carry a change of shoes. If you want to have a professional shoes and then you want to switch to athletic shoes, you can do that. Because obviously they're dirty and you don't want that dirt to be touching your technology, and they could potentially even be wet.
So we've got the separate shoe compartment. Show us the other internals.
Yeah, so if you open this up, you have a spacious compartment with organization on the inside. Enough space for, let's say, a tablet, all your technology accessories, your work products like pens and pencils, and so forth. All compartmentalized so you have different places to keep your tech organized.
And this is a really small thing, but I've noticed that the inside is a kind of yellowy color, and that's actually a great contrast color because so much of my kit is black. And if I have it in a black bag, it's not easy for me to see at a glance exactly what I've got.
Absolutely. It was purposely designed to be that way. So that way, when you open up the pack and you're looking for something small, the bright color really lights up the area, especially if you're commuting on a train. It might be a little darker. So you want to be able to find your accessories, and the bright interior really helps with that.
Let's talk about the water resistance aspect here. So you mentioned, wet shoes. To what degree are the bags water resistant?
Yeah, we also take into consideration rain. And what we've done is we've added water-resistant coated zippers, so that way if there is some rain, your device is protected from that moisture.
So that's one bag, but you've got bags really aimed for all of us, no matter what kind of consumer we happen to be, because we don't always need the same kind of features in a bag, right?
Correct. So we have different types of bags for different types of consumers. And obviously now there's a much more emphasis on commuting, we have to make sure that we provide the right style for your needs. So for example, we have our Invoke line. Our Invoke line, it uses a brushed fabric material, and it is also water resistant coated, along with the zippers themselves have the nylon coating, so they are protected against rain as well.
And what kind of consumer is that aimed at?
Oh, this is designed for the contemporary professional. And the contemporary professional is looking for something with a clean aesthetic. For example, the water bottle pocket isn't immediately obvious, but it is part of the material, so you don't really see that. There's also the expandable nature of the bag. It's got a zipper that allows you to expand it to give you over 25% more capacity.
And in terms of the material, what kind of material are you using that, again, elevates your product over the competition?
Yeah, so we use a higher denier brushed fabric, so that way it adds some dimension to it while still giving it that durability that you need when you're on a commute.
So we've talked about the modern professional, but There are quite a few of us, I exclude myself from this category, who are more inclined to be kind of more sports oriented. So what have you got for them?
Yeah, we've identified this athleisure trend, and that's with people working from home. People are wearing things that are much more comfortable. So the bag should reflect that style. And we have our Conquer backpack collection, which has sporty features and sporty type materials that really address that athleisure market.
What I like about them is that they look very slim and slender and low profile, and yet there's lots of compartments and lots of very cleverly thought out space for all the things that you may need.
Yeah, I mean, we purposely design them so that they look thin, right, at first glance, but then have expandability. So you can open it up, and now if you need more capacity, for example, if you have like a helmet for your e-scooter, you want to have more capacity in your bag, you unzip it, you expand it, and then you're able to put that helmet into the bag.
Well, again, some very purposeful innovation and design there. David, thank you so much.